So here now, we out on another vlog, out in the forest again. You can see the bush behind me. I'm going to see what I could find. I'm alone again, nobody around. So, going to walk on this. I'll find a road here. Looking like if it is not well kept, as you can see. But yeah, I will show you what I come across. Are you hearing them dogs in the background? Just come across a hunter there. You hear the dogs? Something they're chasing. I just come out on this road here after I searched the bush for a good while. Going to walk down to see how far it's going. Look like it's going a good distance, but I found nothing. Only like plants and flowers and things. I am getting kind of frustrated. Want to see animals. I mean, I hear animals run off, but I want to see them. This is the only community spider species I know. The webs could be real large. It could measure like 6 to 7 feet across. But if you look, there's a spider, and there is an egg sac. And most of the spiders near the egg sacs. So when those babies hatch, sometimes they will leave, sometimes they will expand the nest. These type of spiders, you'll see them in groups. I don't know what is their name. All I know, there's spider. They are spiders. This random dog in the bush, a hunting dog, decided to follow me. I think his owner's somewhere up there. Kind of thing you to see in the bush, yeah? Oh yeah, I find a big one. Can't remember picking it up, but this is a big web. Same spiders I was talking about a while ago. There are hundreds on this web. And look how much eggs over here and babies. Look at the babies. But this web extending through the bush over there. All by my feet. I just come across some series. Oh, something to eat. Series, yay! This is wonderful. Just spot a snake. Just spot it. Let me get it. Yes. Yes. A vine snake, a horsewhip. I'm gonna put that in the clearing. The first snake for the trip. Oh my. A nice one too. I can barely have snake hunting up here. This area used to have a lot of snakes. Well, you used to see them, but now they're staying more up in the trees. Yeah. Horsewhip. Yeah, look at him. Now, let me put him back. Right. Yeah. Yes, so my trip is over. Just need to pack up and head home. I didn't see much, but I'm glad. I hope that you enjoy the vlog. And until next time, this is the Wildlife Master saying peace out.